Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So here is very interesting competitive exam question in which a person walks in the east direction from point B and then he reaches point C, then D and then to the point E, and after that he walks towards north and reaches point P after walking 7 kilometers, and another person walks from point A to point Q and then to point P. So they both meet at point P and we have to find out how far and in which direction is point Q with respect to point B. So this is very interesting question, and to solve this question we will read question line by line slowly and then solve it. Then you will find that it is very easy to solve. So let's solve this question. So this is the question and it's given that a person walks in east direction from point B. So let's make the direction first. So we know that this is north. North is here. This is south and this is east and this is west. So person walks from east direction and from point B. So let us assume that this is point B and person starts to walk from B towards east direction. So in this direction. Okay. After walking for 4 kilometer in same direction, he took right turn. So he walks for 4 kilometer in the same direction. He is coming here from here to here and then he takes right turn. So he will come on this path here and walks 3 kilometer to reach point C. So he walks here 3 kilometer and reaches point C. From there he took left turn of 4 kilometer. Now from here he takes left turn, so he is here. Now he takes left from here, that means he goes in east direction again and walks for 4 kilometer again. Then right turn of 4 kilometer and reaches point D. Now from here he again takes right turn, so he walks towards south direction and walks for 4 kilometer and reaches point D. So this is point D. Then he turns left and walks for 4 kilometer to reach point E. Now from here he again turns left, so in this direction, and he walks for 4 kilometer again and reaches to the point E. At last he walks in the north direction and reaches point P after walking 7 kilometer. Now from here he walks towards north direction. North direction is this. So he walks toward north direction for 7 kilometers and reaches point P. Now you can see that this was 3. So this is 3 and this is 4. So from here to here this is 4. So this is 7 kilometer. So he is at the level of point B. At this level, point P is at the level of point P. Now another person walks in the west direction from point A for 5 kilometer. Now here in the whole question you will see that there is nothing given about the point A where the A point is. So what we will do, we will read the last line of the question. So in the last line it's given that she walks 7 kilometer in the west direction to reach point P. So it means that she reaches at the point P at the end. So She starts from point A and at the end she reaches at point P. So she is here at point P. Now, how does she reach here? She walks 7 kilometers in the west direction. That means in this direction she walked for 7 kilometers. Okay, so she must be somewhere here. 7 kilometers from, and this point was Q. Okay, so she walked 7 kilometers to reach point Q. Okay, now in the question we have to find how far and in which direction is point Q with respect to B. So we only have to find the distance between point B and point Q and to find at which direction is point Q with respect to point B. So we will not solve this part of the question. Okay, this is useless. You can solve it if you want, but this is useless because at the end only the distance between point B and Q was asked. So from here to here this is 4 kilometer, and from here to here this is again 4 kilometer. This is 4. Now from here to here this is again, because this is 4 kilometer. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. Now from here to here this is 7 kilometer. Okay, so total distance between B and Q, distance between B and Q is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 7, that is 12 plus 7, or that is 19 kilometer. Okay, and in which direction is point Q? B, here we have direction, so B is in west and Q is at east. So Q is in east direction of B. So in the given options, option C is correct. Okay, so I hope this was very easy to understand. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting questions. Thanks for watching.